Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of an Italian brand renowned in the world of fashion and luxury. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Bottega Veneta, Bottega Veneta, or Te, Ga, We, Ne, Ta, Bottega Veneta. It offers a range of luxury products, from handbags to ready-to-wear collections. Their iconic intrecciato woven leather design is a hallmark of the brand's timeless aesthetic. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.